What's up, guys? Mr. Roblox here, back with another video. Today we are going to be playing some Beast Wars Simulator. This is going to be my first episode of Beast Wars Simulator ever made. Like, ever made in my whole entire life. Like, my first episode. I already been grinding, so hopefully I can get a ton of money. I think it should go insta-sell because that'll give me 14,000 honey. But yeah, so we're gonna go visit this brown bear person. Right up here, brown bear. Damn it, intimidating. I'm gonna get killed. I need to run. I need to run really quick. Okay. The final showdown is daily quest. So my final showdown is the brown bear. There we go. Okay. Collect my honey. Collect honey. You collect all this honey. Collect all this honey. Okay, I think oh my god, I make so much money. Make so much honey. What do I do? By the way, if you do want another mining simulator video, please smash that like button down below. I hope you enjoy. Done this video yet. I need to go down here, get my slingshot. By the way, I'll teach you a tip and trick. If you jump and then use the slingshot, you go way farther. So I have 94,000 honey, but I need to go to the instant converter. So I get a ton more. So I get 21,000 honey. Okay, let's go behind your because I see a message. Black Bear's title. What? I don't know that. I don't believe that. Black Bear's title. Oh, I can use this. I forgot. So, let's see. Do I go farther? Oh my god. I just am perfectly on spawn. Oh, he has the Reaper. Oh my god. 7 million honey. Okay, so I can't make any honey. I'm waiting for spiders to respawn. I want those spiders. I can buy gumdrops. How much gumdrops can I buy? Open shop. Buy for 1 ticket. 3 times the gumdrops. Nah, not fun. Need that. Okay, so I bought everything in here. Bought every small thing in here. I even bought that. I bought everything except for the scissors. So I'll buy the scissors because they're very, very expensive. Oh no. I need to go all the way up and get my pulsar. Oh, it's just gonna be a long trip if I don't go use the cannon. But it's not being. I'm gonna use my cannon. 3, 2, what? Okay, let's go backwards this time. Need to go faster backwards. Oh, I can equip this. Equip my pulsar, and let's collect some more honey. I have 112,000 honey. This rhino will be able to respawn, but not the mantis. How much more minutes? 11 minutes for the mantis to respawn. Wow. I really want him to respawn. So the red teleporter takes you up here. I don't know how to get to the red. I think you might need a parachute because once you shoot, you put your parachute. So now Thanks, Barry. Talk to you. I'm gonna go over here. And you go up here. Can I get up here, please? Damn it. I'm hidden. By the way, secret patch. Probably not gonna defeat him one shot. But King Beetle. I'm dead one shot. I'm dead one shot, I know that. I'm dead one shot, I know that. There we go, okay. Okay, that was scary as heck. Oh my god, my bees aren't even out. I'm still defeating him. I'm still trying to defeat him. And by the way, I may make Fortnite videos on my other channel. Check it out, it's called Minecraft Master. So if you do check that out, I will be playing Fortnite on it soon. So, I'll be the end for this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys all next time. See ya.